It looks good, man.
Welcome to Chula Vista, everyone. A grand opening festivity of celebrating with tacos again. But what better place to enjoy tacos than here at Chula Vista? It's been an incredible year. The fact that we're even standing here in this space is just unbelievable in so many ways. It all started because actually Chen Cho came and visited, and it's like, you guys are spending thousands of dollars on hotels every single month. Why not just buy a place? And I thought about it, it's like, but that's so much work. But she was like, no, I absolutely believe it's the future. I believe in you guys. I believe you guys could fund it. So we went back home, and then within like a week, Chincho already found multiple realtors already scouting. And then in February, I drove up and down San Diego, different cities, looking for different places. So this place is really just multiple dreams coming true. We wanted to get a place so that everybody can come here and recharge. I got this idea through COVID because there's so many times we couldn't fly internationally. So because we didn't fly internationally, but we needed to go somewhere away from home to recharge. I'm like, well, what can we do? So I started doing staycations, Airbnbs and hotels in different places nearby home, but I know it's expensive, right? So we got this place hoping that every single one of you can use it to recharge. So I spent a lot of time thinking about, well, what's the best way to design this space for everyone? When you guys walk in, I want you to feel like this place is your home. I made it so that it's very minimalistic, so there's no clutter. When you walk in, everything is very clean, it's very open. And I've already done it here with my family and some of my friends at least 5-6 times in the past few months. And I've benefited a lot from it, so I want you guys to kind of experience that as well. This is a result of everybody's hard work together. If one person or a couple people dropped out, we wouldn't be able to do what we were able to do. So bravo to everyone, and I hope you guys all really, really enjoyed it.
This is just garlic.
Okay, I'll have it.
You got the garlic.
Is that garlic? Can I trade you? I want to trade. 剪刀石头布，剪刀石头布，剪刀石头布。
What is this for?
剪刀石头布，剪刀石头布，剪刀石头布。
Oh my god.
It's like a lemony sour cracker.
Oh my goodness, I can see the antlers.
It's very tasty, very lemony.
Yeah.
And there's some bitterness to it too at the end. Slightly.
Very interesting taste.
But it's called De Cabeza El Unico.
It was garlic.
De Cabeza
Pretty good.
Real?
Yeah.
Unico.
El único.
El Unico.